there. Got my manicure done. And I went through step by step to show you how to do it. Let me just kind of go over that again with you. The first thing that I did was I washed my hands really well with a dish soap that has a degreaser in it. Because a lot of us have very, very oily nail bases and we want to get all of that off. Then the next thing that I did was, while my cuticles were soft, I used this right here, the cuticle remover, and you just do a little click on it, and it will give you enough to do 2 or 3 or 4 nails, and I'll just sit there and just push them back, push them off. After you've done that on every nail, then you're going to take your orange stick and you're going to push back all of your cuticles and go all the way around. Now, a lot of times you may not realize it, but the cuticle is really, really thin and really tough, and you may not see it, so you just really want to work that off and get all the cuticle off all the way around your fingernail. After you've done that, you apply your wraps, and let me show you. This is what I used right here. As you can see, there's enough to do another manicure. There's enough to do 2 pedicures. These last 2 wraps on here are great for your pedicure. You use this one right here for your big toe, cut it in half, and you have one for each big toe. And then you take this one right here and you divide it into 8 little pieces, cut it in half and cut it in half that way, and that's for each of your toes. So you have enough for 2 pedicures, and you'll still have, you can see, some left over for accent nails to go with other manicures that you might do. Also, you see there are some little pieces here, you might could use those for your toes. So this really does go a long way. You see that I did an accent nail with a different wrap, and so I just used 1. 2 is missing because I'd used one in a previous manicure, but this is the Raspberry Sparkle, and I just love that. I wanted to show you too the Jamberry Juniors. There's a sheet of the Jamberry Junior. You see it has a lot more wraps on it, but they're shorter and they're a little bit thinner. This will work for children ages 8 and under usually. But they come with 2 different designs on all of them. So there's the center one, and they always match, where you can coordinate them together if you'd like to do that. When I do nails on the little ones, the rice bag is awesome to use because, you know, they may not want to sit there and hold their hands in front of the blow dryer or the heat or whatever you use. Just put this in the microwave for a minute or less and get it warm. Put their wrap on cold, and then use this as a heat to just rub on there for them and heat it. And again, I would use this just like you saw when I did that to help to get all the wrinkles out and smooth it down and get a really good application on it. You saw that I used the heater. I used to use my blow dryer until I invested in the heater, and the blow dryer worked great, but since I've got my heater, I just love that. It's a lot easier to do because it's hands-free. It just sits here. You've got the little button, and see, I'll just turn it on here. See how quiet it is? So you can have it on in the living room while the family is watching a movie or TV or whatever, and you won't bother them at all. You can also purchase the tool set. You probably have everything you have at home to use. This is our older bag. Now we have a really cute purple one that you would get in your order. But it comes with the buffer, an emery board, clippers, cuticle scissors, a couple of orange sticks, and then this cuticle pusher. It's a rubber base. It has some alcohol prep pads in it, and so that is your set. You can also purchase this if you want with the oil. This oil is great to help your nails continue to grow in strong and healthy. One little tip I would like to tell you is that when you do use this, don't do it on the first day that you've done your application. Wait until the following day, and then every morning or every night, just put a little dab on the base of each nail and just rub it in, and that will help you have great, healthy nails.